In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to real-time record the bass line. First of all, let's go ahead and click on track 2, and there we have the bass line, or the bass part rather. And let's preview this track just a little bit. We had the drums recorded previously. And you can see the way that is now. It sounds like the drums are kind of overpowering the bass a little bit. And for this, you can do this two ways. You could turn down the track volume of the drums, or you could turn up the track volume of the bass. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the mixing button and go over to F1, which is the volume here. And I'm going to go ahead and scroll over to the drum track, and I'm going to turn it down just a little bit. And now if we preview it along with our bass, you have to make sure you're selected back to the bass track there whenever you want to preview against that and play it. I think I want to go ahead and turn it down just a little bit more, and I want to do this because I'm going to overemphasize the bass in this last recording for demonstration purposes. The next thing I want to do is just make sure and go back into song mode, out to the main page, and then make sure you're on track 2, which is the bass. And another thing I've noticed about this track or voice assignment that's to this track is on the modulation wheel there's a nice BPM echo applied. So I'm going to add that in there. So the next thing I want to do is actually record this in. So I'm going to press the record button, and for this one I can leave this to overdub. There's no information in track 2 already, so it doesn't really matter. And I'm going to let the quantize be set to off, and then I'm going to go ahead and press play, get the 1 count in, and then go ahead and record in my bass line. So now if I just go to the head of the track again and then press play to preview what I just recorded,